Hey there, Internet Explorers! Welcome back to another episode of our digital adventure where we're going to discover the most amazing ways to make money online in 2023 and also 2024. In today's video, we've got a hot topic: the top 5 best ways to earn money online in 2023 and 2024. So grab your digital compass because we're about to take off on a journey through the most profitable online money-making opportunities out there. But before we blast off, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out on our money-making adventures. Number 5. Freelancing. Starting off at number 5 on our digital countdown is freelancing. Imagine making money from doing what you love, whether it's writing, graphic design, or even crocheting. You get to pick your projects and work in your pajamas. How awesome is that? Just be sure not to video chat with your clients in your SpongeBob onesie. It might not make the best impression. According to some financial analysts, freelancers in the United States earn an average hourly rate of $20, and those who work in web and mobile development, marketing, legal, accounting, and other skilled services earn an even higher $28 per hour average wage. That's more than 70% of all workers in the United States. Not bad for working from home, right? Number 4. Dropshipping. Next up, at number 4 is the exciting world of dropshipping. You don't need a warehouse. You don't even need to touch the products. You're like a digital DJ mixing and matching products from suppliers and spinning them into profit. Just remember, it's not all fun and games when someone returns a broken tambourine. Dropshipping is a type of retail fulfillment method for online stores where you purchase products from third-party suppliers as your customers make orders. The products are then shipped directly to the customer, so you don't have to deal with inventory or shipping costs. Sounds easy, right? Well, it can be very profitable if you do it right. Some media giant says that many dropshippers make $100,000 per year with their successful dropshipping store. However, you'll need to do some research on the best products to sell, the best suppliers to work with, and the best marketing strategies to attract customers. Number 3. Content creation. Moving on to number 3, where the magic happens: content creation. Whether you're a vlogger, a podcaster, or an Instagram influencer, the internet is your playground. You're the star, director, and producer of your own show. Just be prepared for the occasional thumbs down who thinks your cat videos are lame. Content creation is one of the most popular ways to make money online in 2023. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, donations, merchandising, and more. However, you'll need to create high-quality content that engages your audience and stands out from the crowd. Forbes has ranked the top 50 content creators of 2023 based on their earnings, follower counts, engagement rates, and entrepreneurial activities. The number 1 spot goes to Jimmy Donaldson, Mr. Beast, who made $82 million in 2023 from his YouTube channel that features high-production videos and stunts like surviving in Antarctica for 50 hours and building a Wonka chocolate factory. He also has his own brands like Feastable snack bars and Mr. Beast Burgers restaurant chain. Number 2. Stock market. Now at number 2, we have the stock market. With a few clicks, you could become a digital Gordon Gekko. But beware, my friends, for the stock market can be a roller coaster ride. It's like investing in a bag of popcorn kernels. You never know when it's going to pop, but when it does, it's movie time. The stock market is a place where you can buy and sell shares of companies and other financial assets. You can make money by buying low and selling high, or by earning dividends from your investments. However, you can also lose money if the market goes down or if you make bad decisions. To succeed in the stock market, you'll need to do some research on the companies and industries you want to invest in. You'll also need to have a strategy and a risk management plan. You could use online platforms like Robinhood or E-Trade to buy and sell stocks easily and cheaply. Number 1. Online courses and coaching. And finally, our grand champion, the numero uno, the big kahuna of online money making in 2023, online courses and coaching. Share your knowledge and expertise with the world and watch the Benjamins roll in. You're not just making money, you're changing lives. Just be sure to put on your best professor glasses. They make you look super legit. Online courses and coaching are a great way to leverage your skills and experience and turn them into a passive or active income stream. You can create online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable and sell them to thousands of students. Or you can offer online coaching services on platforms like Future or Caliber and work with clients one-on-one or in groups. Online courses and coaching are also a great way to build your personal brand and authority in your niche. You can use your content to attract leads and customers for your other products or services. You can also use your online courses and coaching as a way to upsell or cross-sell your existing customers. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best ways to earn money online in 2023 and 2024. Remember, these opportunities aren't one size fits all, so find the one that suits your skills, interests, and goals. But before we say goodbye, if you've got your own money-making adventures, tips, or hilarious online stories, drop them in the comments below. Let's share the wisdom and the laughs. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We appreciate your support and feedback. It means a lot, so keep them coming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.